that? Sand! Oh! It's gonna be a little bit of slippery out here today. We got some leaves down. Oh, look at this sketchy guy. Freaking me out. The tree hopper. That was pretty cool. Let's see him hop that one.
This will be hard to see with these leaves.
Dude, I was about to say, all these leaves, we're not gonna see half the trail.
Yeah.
Ah, it almost took my head off. Holy mud. I was not ready for all this water as cold as it is today. Looks like we're a little bit off the trail maybe. But that's alright, because that's the whole point of trail riding, right guys? We find our own path sometimes. That's a deep rut. Leaves are so deceiving. These washouts are deep. Getting caught. Oh, getting caught in this rut. Oh yeah, this thing's going up. Woo! Something happened. I think he racked his nuts. Nah. I missed that thing, I'm glad. See what I'm saying, guys? All these leaves are so deceiving.
Oh, that could have been so bad. Oh, that was so bad.
Oh, man.
Oh, I gotta get on the plate for a second.
It's a good thing you got this sick bench. This is some rough stuff. Yeah. Avoid those roots and not do what he did. All right, baby, back on it. Oh, that's deep. Stay away from that. Trails are a lot rougher from where we last left. A lot rougher. Oh no! No! That just smells like straight poop. You should have went around this way, Hums. Look at the dry spot over there. Dry, wet. Wet. You could have went further left, but oh, that smells terrible. I'm not getting behind that thing. That water's been sitting for a while. Let's watch him in defeat. Let's go help. Why don't you start it and stand off to the side and then push it while you're rapping, you know? push it while you're rapping, rap, you know. Look at all this nasty poo water. See, look at that. No, Lawrence. Stand off to the side. No, stand off to the side. Yeah! That's how we do it. Bunch of noobs, but we get it done. You're giving me some good footage today. Alright. Oh man, this is a good day. This is a good day. Feel like Paul Blart right now, just like in Mall Cop. Is that what he was? I don't know, I think so. Where he's playing the guitar. I feel so alive! Oh, that was a rock. Oh. Almost knocked myself out right there. Oh, that one was a rough one, boys. Woo! Full lawn chair mode right there. Just folded face first into the bars. Oh man, that was great. That was great. Always be in the attack and ready position. Whoa, she wants to go, boys. Good day of exploring. Oh, look at this. Walter White's back there. Winnebago. Cooking off some meth. Oh, this is cool. I should have been paying attention, but look at that. It's probably where all the pros come train, right? Watch out for that one, boy. This is so cool. Oh, dude, the biggest smile ever right now. So cool. Get it! Woo! Little fish tail there. This is so fun. Like new stuff with Comico every time we come. We always find a new trail. We always find a new way. Dude, like this is the place. You want to ride some trail riding? Come down to Comico, Maryland, baby. We got everything. covered in leaves at the moment. And these trails are always ruthless. You have some easy spots, like we were kind of on some easy stuff. Anybody could ride this. But then you also get the more experienced stuff where we hit big downhills, big uphills with all those washouts, rocks. You got a whole bunch of trees down. All kinds of stuff that you have to navigate. Think on the fly. It's pretty fun. Look at that low tree. Tires. Ooh, some mud. Get away from that. It's too cold out here for that shiznit. We're just coming across some awesome stuff right now. If you guys are liking this, give it a thumbs up. Big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me hear what you guys think about this. I know I'm going slow, so don't roast me on that. Like I said, my foot, 4 months out of a broken heel. Sand! Oh! This is sick! Let's do it! This sand is so deep and so ruthless. Oh, this is so sick. Would that way be easier? That one might be hard. We can do it. Alright. Let's get this going. It's a pretty big drop off I'm taking. Risky business, baby! That deep sand in this RMZ just rips right through it, dude. Like, it's nothing. Sand is so deep. It's that super fine, like, silty sand. That stuff that just goes everywhere.